This is the elevator Crate and Barrel, Legacy Village, Beechwood, Ohio. This I think this is a Kone, actually. It's probably a Kone. Oh wow, this is a Kone elevator. Oh wow. Capacity is 5,000. I'm low. What's the indicator goes? There goes. Here's your Kone logo. Phone. This is elevator number 1, but I don't think there's 2 elevators here. There's your rear door. Very nice elevator. I think we should take another ride on this back up so that way we can look at the furniture. Nice Kone logo. Phone. Here, we'll go with the furniture on too. I love Kone elevators. Kone KSS 370, is this like your button? I'm gonna get a still of these once my camera focuses. Very nice. Ring the bell. There's elevator. Kone, there it goes in. That's it.